Guys, once again, I am going to make a vlog since I have a time today. So I am thinking to utilize my time, trying to make a vlog. And now you can see, Agastya has taken the broom, yeah, jhadu, and he is saying something to Ankush. He is talking with Ankush Mama. He is saying, Anku, Anku, and he is doing the broom at Ankush, and now he's running away from here. Now he's saying that Ankush Mama has beaten me, and Pius is sitting on the chair. Now once again he is trying to come here. Is you could see. Now he has got afraid. Now he has gone there. Oh, why are you saying like this? Pius is saying that take it and beat your mama. He's saying uncle, uncle, uncle. He's saying uncle, uncle, uncle. He's saying many times. Now he is coming here. I could see now he has gone there. Now I am making vlog there. Now you could see where is my sister-in-law. She is sitting over there. You could see she is sitting over there. She doesn't want to come into the phone. Now you could see Sia is drinking the milk. Sia, what are you doing? She is drinking the milk. Sia's mother is pouring. You could see Sia's mother is pouring the milk into the glass. Now she has poured the milk. Now she is calling to Pius so that she could drink the milk. Hey Pius, go. Your mother is calling. Now Agastya has started crying. Now her mother is giving the milk to Pius. Now she is going to take to Pius. Agastya has started crying. Now she is going taking to Agastya. Agastya, you could see Agastya is going inside the room. He is crying because Pius has beaten him. Now he is going to her mama. Now we are going outside. You could see Pius is drinking the milk, sitting on the chair, and you could see Ankush is here. Ankush is playing with the something instrument. It may be he is playing now. Now Sia has gone on upstairs. Now Sia has gone on upstairs, and you could also see to me. Make like this. Make my vlog only like this. Hi guys, you could see also to me. I am ready for going to marriage procession as I said to you. Now I am going on upstairs. Now you could see. Now I am going on upstairs. Sia is on upstairs. Sia, where are you? Now you could see Sia is here. Sia is on upstairs. Now Sia is going downstairs. Sia is going downstairs. Hey Sia, where are you going? Downstairs. Now Sia is going downstairs. I am going on upstairs. Now I have reached on upstairs. From here I could also show you something. I am watching there. I have to go to the wedding procession, and all the members of theirs are preparing. Some of them are getting dressed. I have got dressed. Now I am just watching them when they will go from here. When they will go, I will also go with them. While although I am not going, so before that I have a time. I am just making a vlog. Now I am going downstairs. You could see this is the slippers, and this is the shoes which is on the slender. Now I am going downstairs. You could see here is the glass which is on the ladder. Now Ankush has sat down on the floor and playing with something. So thank you for watching this vlog. Now I am going inside. I am watching if something is available. Not. Now Agastya is sleeping. Now I am also going outside. Where is Pius and Sia? Pius and Sia is there. Pius and Sia, I am not able to see them. So thank you.